Okay, Charlie, so we're talking small steps. 45 would be a great big step in the right direction for you. So let's see how you do. Oop, hang on. Let's see how I do first of all. Get my marks together. 2981 is correct, and so is that. That one's right, that one's right, that one's right. That one's wrong. Cubic millimeters are tiny, like little grains of sand, or a bit bigger than that. So that's the one you'll be looking for there. So you have 3 for that, 6 for that, 63 is good for that, 11 for the first page. That's right and that's right. These aren't. Number of times you can rotate that and it looks identical would be a quarter of a turn to there, quarter of a turn to there, and there, and there, 4. Whereas that one only looks the same when it's turned upside down, which means it's got a symmetry of 2. Cylinder, cone, tangent, radius. Well done. That one isn't quite enough. Get your plastic ruler, line up one of those lines with the line that's drawn, and move your ruler until it goes through C. That line is then at right angles to it. Obtuse is correct. 9 sixes are 54. No. What you have there are, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 cubes in the back layer of that block, and 3 layers if you put that up there. So 3 4s are 12. And then the units, this is your units question, would be centimeters cubed for volume. That's correct. 4 marks. Minus 30 is not right. So the height of junction, minus 10, minus 20, minus 30, minus 40, minus 50. You've got it there. Okay. If you look at what you've put your scale there, that is minus 50, and yet you've written minus 30. Grotto will be down there, minus 70. So both of those are wrong. With that one, you can't give a choice. 70 is right, but you give me a choice, I can't give you the mark. And then that one should be 20, not 10. So there's a bit of practice you need to do there. £2.40 is correct. £4.80 is what the total is. What you then got to do, so you've got £4.80, that should be £3.99. You're missing so £1. What have you done there now? What have you done? What have you done? What have you done? So you've worked out the first class, so that's the first class cost. Then you've got to work out the second class cost and take them away. So can I give you any marks for that? 7B, 4.80. I can give you 1 mark for the £4.80. So 3 marks for that page. So she's enough money to post it second class and have 10p change. Is good. It's not 9a squared, it's 9a take away 1a, which is 8a. That one's correct. That's good. This is what we were doing in Reg. You arrived late, you missed that. Without the workings out, I can't give you any marks for it. 1364 is right. 102 isn't, and I can't see where it's come from. £51.27 won't give you that. So you got 1 mark there for the 1364. With this one, you plot the points. That one's right. That one's not right. So you're supposed to be going across 20, up 16, putting a mark. Across 36, up to 32, putting a mark. Across to 44, up to 40, putting a mark. 22, 20, putting a mark, and so on. So your points are all in the wrong place. I can't give you any marks for that. And then it starts getting a bit challenging then. So with this last one, which we've been practicing, that's correct. 2.4, that's correct. 2.3, that's correct. Gone between. Good. So if you can remember how to do that, that is a big bonus. Well, I think that's definitely your best paper so far. Let's see how good. 11, 17, 21, 24, 27, 33, 34, 38. Not as good as you were estimating. It's an E. It is 10 marks off a D. So that's where you're working towards. If we can get you up a grade, then that would be a big step forward. Not sure how much support you got off Alice when you were doing that paper, but if you can remember the support that you've got, then that's a big step forward. Well done, I'm encouraged.